Hello lovely people, and welcome back to this channel. Today we are making this delicious snack. Do you have black eyed beans? Grab yours and let's get started. So I have my onions, yellow bell pepper and red bell pepper. I'll be chopping all this into smaller pieces. Then I'll set them aside and get to the next step of making my snack. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share this video so that other people can also benefit. To my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch videos on this channel. So with this snack, it's a popular snack in Africa. In Ghana, we call it koose or koose, and in Nigeria, it's called akara. So depending on where you are coming from, it's accepted. So in my bowl here, I've just added my black eyed beans powder. I've added my salt, baking powder. Then I'll gently mix all together. Then afterwards, I'll add my water gradually to form a smooth paste. You don't have to pour the water at a go. If not, your paste will become very watery, and at the end your snack will not look like how mine is going to be. So you just have to be doing it this way till it gets to this thicker paste. If you have a hand whisk, you can use that one to incorporate enough air into this. But if you don't have, you can use your hands to do it manually, but it will take some time. So as I incorporate the air into it, I'll be adding bits of water little by little so that it will become semi-watery. So just watch everything, don't go away, and you get all the steps involved in making this delicious black eyed beans powder snack, and you enjoy it with your family. By incorporating the air, you can see it's becoming fluffy and light. So this will aid it to float on top of the oil when we are frying it. So now after about 10 minutes of continuously whisking some air into it, I'm just going to add my chopped onions, red and yellow bell pepper, and I'll gently fold them in before I go ahead to fry them. If you don't have the black eyed beans powder, you can soak your beans and then blend it smoothly. Then you add your vegetables and you are also good to go. I'll make a video on how to do that, so keep watching this channel and you get the best. So in this hot oil, I'm just going to scoop some of this paste into the oil gently, and I'll let it fry, but I'll have to flip it over so that both sides can fry so they are golden brown, and then they are ready to be taken out of the oil. This is so delicious and nutritious, and it is so easy to make at home. provided you have these ingredients. So you can see it's frying well. So at this point, I'm just going to take it off and set it aside. Then I'll fry the rest of the paste. So this is the remaining paste. So I'll keep on repeating till everything is fried. But if you have a bigger frying pan, you can make it in large batches. So this is the last one that I'm frying, and I'm completely done frying. See how nice this looks. So if you have your porridge or your cocoa, you can enjoy it with this snack. Hope to see you next time. Bye.